Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix iPhone overheating when playing games. If your iPhone is overheating when playing games, it can be caused by factors like intense processing, environmental conditions, or software issues. Here are some steps to fix and prevent overheating while gaming. First method, having multiple apps running in the background can increase the load on your iPhone, leading to overheating. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher, and swipe away unnecessary apps. Next method, lower game graphics settings. Many games allow you to adjust the graphics or frame rate, and playing at high settings can overwork your iPhone's processor and GPU, leading to heat. Open the game settings and look for graphics, performance, or frame rate options. Lowering these can help reduce overheating. Next method, disable background app refresh. Disabling background app refresh can reduce the amount of multitasking your iPhone does, preventing it from overheating. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, and turn it off for apps you don't need running in the background. Another method, turn off unused features. Features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or location services can consume power and generate heat, especially during gaming. If not needed, turn them off. Disable Bluetooth from Settings, Bluetooth. Disable location services from Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Disable, then tap Turn off. Turn off Wi-Fi when playing offline games. Next method, lower screen brightness. High screen brightness generates more heat. Reduce it to lower the temperature. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center, and adjust the brightness slider. Next method, avoid playing games while charging. Playing games while charging significantly increases the heat generated by your iPhone. Try to avoid this whenever possible. Charge your iPhone fully before gaming, or pause gaming while it charges. Next method, use airplane mode for offline games. For games that don't require an internet connection, using airplane mode can reduce the strain on your iPhone's processor and wireless components. Swipe down from the top right corner and tap the airplane mode icon. Next method, play in a cooler environment. Playing in hot environments can make your iPhone overheat faster. Ensure in a cool, well-ventilated area. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.